What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Alex. Today, we're going to be talking about 3 of the best money market savings account you can own today. Before I do that, let me go ahead and give you guys a quick update as to what happened in the month of July. So the Fed did raise the rate by another 0.25%. Now we're at the 22-year high. However, it seems like the whole economy is in a pretty good shape right now. The government reported that in the second quarter, the real GDP actually went up at the annual rate of 2.4%, which is good news. And which is also very surprising to me because I would think that the high interest rate is going to have a bigger impact on the economy. And along with the record low unemployment rate of 3.6%, on top of that, the inflation rate is down to 2.6% for the month of July. However, the scary thing here is that we haven't really seen the impact of the high interest rate on the whole economy just yet. There'll be a gap of, I would say, about 6 months to a year for the impact of the interest rate to show on the market. But really, no one knows what's going to happen. It is also uncertain whether the Fed is going to raise the interest rate again in the next federal meeting, which is going to occur on September 19th to 20th. Okay, so the main driver for them to increase the interest rate is because of inflation, right? So now with inflation sitting at 3%, like what is the incentive for them to keep raising interest rate? So I think this most likely would be the end of the whole rate hike. So with that said, let me go ahead and dive into today's topic. So in this video, I'll be talking about 3 of the best money market savings account. So with a money market savings account, it is really just an account where you guys can temporarily park your money. It is not good for a long-term investment. For example, let's say you're going to be buying a house in the next year or so. You probably don't want to invest all your money into the stock market because there's going to be a lot of fluctuations. You don't want to be risking your down payment. Another thing is that I think there's going to be opportunities in the real estate market. Now there's actually an opportunity for the buyer to negotiate with the seller on the price of the home. So just in case you guys want to keep your money liquid for that reason. And the second reason is if you guys think the interest rate will continue to rise in the future, then you probably don't want to lock yourself into a CD. Although I don't think that will happen because right now I think we're pretty much at the peak at the moment. So CD is actually a great option to look into. If you guys haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to my videos so you guys will have access to the best CD and money market saving rates. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead and introduce you guys the first bank, which is called Marcus by Goldman Sachs. So this one made it on my list because it is a well-known bank. You guys have heard of Goldman Sachs. It is a consumer banking division of Goldman Sachs. And also it has a very user-friendly online banking. The time it took me to set up this account is just under 5 minutes. So I think it'll be the same for most of you. It is super intuitive. The online platform is very easy to use. Now with Marcus Bank, the account I'm going to recommend is called High Yield Savings. And that is currently offering an interest rate of 4.15%. And if you guys use my referral link down below, you guys will get a 1% bonus to your interest rate, which will make your total effective interest rate 5.15% APY for the next 3 months. Now, if you guys want to continue to earn that 1% bonus, you guys will have to refer your friends or family so that you guys will get an additional 3 months of bonus interest rate for each person you guys refer. But all in all, this is a fantastic account. You guys will get a 5.15 annual percentage yield on your money. And plus, there's no monthly service fees and there's no minimum deposit required. And also all the banks I'm about to mention here is FDIC insured up to $250,000. And also with Marcus Bank, I had the account back in 2019. So I decided to give it a try and I found it very user-friendly. So I wanted to recommend this bank to you guys as well. All right, now the second bank I want to mention here is called Vio Bank. With this bank, it is kind of new to me, but I want to recommend this bank here because I do see it has good reviews online as well. On the Apple App Store, it has a rating of 4.6, so it's pretty decent. And the account I'll be recommending for Vio Bank is the money market savings account, which is currently offering a 5.15% APY as well. And with this account, you don't have to worry about having to refer friends or family in order to get this interest rate. However, just keep in mind that all the rates I'm mentioning here is going to fluctuate depending on what the Fed does to the rate. Because this is a money market savings account, your rates is variable. And some of the things to know with the money market savings account is that you cannot withdraw more than 6 times per month from your money market savings account, because that's what the money market savings account is meant for, is to deposit money. So there's no limit on how many times you can deposit into the money market savings account, only on the withdrawals. All right, a couple more things with the Vio Bank is that there's no balance requirements. So with any type of balance, you can earn that 5.15% APY. Other than that, there's no monthly service fee. However, it does mention that there's a paper statement fee of $5. So if you guys don't want to get charged that fee, make sure to sign up for the online bank statements. All right, last but not least, it's my favorite bank again, and that's called CIT Bank. So with CIT Bank, I've been banking with them for quite a while now, so I have no complaints. With CIT Bank, my interest rate has been consistently going up for the past couple of months, so I'm very happy with where I'm at. Right now, the account I'm recommending is called Platinum Savings, which is offering currently a 5.05% APY. Now, it does have a minimum balance requirement of $5,000 in order to earn this interest rate. However, if you don't have the $5,000 to deposit just yet, the CIT Bank also offers an account called Savings Connect. However, there's no minimum balance required, just $100 to open your account. I gotta say, CIT Bank has been great for me so far. I just got my interest paid yesterday, so I'm pretty happy with that. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and go ahead and check out my other videos where I talk about CD rates. I think now would be a good time to go ahead and lock into your CD accounts as well. All right, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.